Sikek Songket is one of the handicrafts of the pride of Sikek residents who have been passed down from generation to generation, who have unique motifs that are very distinctive. The process of making Songket Sikek from ancient times to the present is still done manually by the experienced and trained Sikek community. The process of making Sikek Songket is very complicated and takes a long time. Let us imagine the strands for the sake of strands of yarn do not fade the spirit of the Songket craftsman arranging threads so that Songket is formed with very beautiful and riveting motifs. Economically, the Sikek Songket handicrafts really help the economy of the young Sikek Nagari. After returning from school, the young kids are cleverly educated. They can learn and try the process of making Songket. And hopefully in the future, we, as the Sikek community, are always optimistic, maintaining and